Chapter 3, Parts of a Computer. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to learn about types of devices in a computer, comprehend and list down the function of parts of computer, describe the purpose of different parts of computer. Warm up. Join the things which are connected to a computer. Join keyboard, mouse, desktop and PC cable. Teachers note. Encourage the student to talk about the computer room etiquette. Hello friends. In this chapter, we will talk about purpose and uses of all parts of the computer. We have already read that a computer is a device with a variety of uses at different places. It is capable of doing a large number of tasks simultaneously. Let us take an example of a bike. It has different parts like wheels, engines, handle, etc. All these parts must work together to move the bike. Similarly, there are 4 key parts of a computer to make it work. These are key parts of a computer. 1. CPU. 2. Mouse. 3. Keyboard. 4. Monitor. Some devices are attached to the computer manually, like speakers, pen drive, joystick, etc. Further, on the basis of data, computer parts are classified into the following 3 types: input device, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. The devices which are used to enter data into the computer are called input devices. Here is the list of important input devices of a computer. 1. Keyboard. 2. Mouse. 3. Joystick. 4. Microphone. 5. Scanner. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter data in the form of letters, words, sentences, and other symbols. Types of keys in a keyboard are function keys, arrow keys, and alphanumeric keys. A keyboard can be joined to a computer using a wire or can be wireless. Mouse. A mouse is a small input pointing device. It controls the computer screen cursor. With the help of a mouse, you can draw pictures and play games. A mouse helps you to select, point and drag items on the screen. Joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick used to play games on a computer. It has 1 or more push buttons for playing games. It is a manually controlled device. Microphone. Microphone is used to record the sounds and also offer the option of voice recognition. Central processing unit. It is the most important part of a computer. It is called the brain of a computer. It controls the functioning of all the other parts of the computer. Full form of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. Output device. The devices which are used to display, print and show the results after processing are called output devices. Monitor, printer and speakers are the most important output devices. Remember it. Joystick is an input device. Monitor. Monitor is the most important output device of a computer. Another name for a monitor is VDU, Visual Display Unit. It can display all kinds of data on it. Printer. Printer is a device which prints the output shown on the monitor on paper. It accepts the data from input devices. Speakers. Speakers are the most common output device of a computer. Speakers produce audio output that can be heard by listeners. Storage devices. Storage devices are the hardware devices which allow storing data and applications. Most common storage devices are hard disk, DVD and pen drive. Hard disk. It is present inside the CPU box. It uses magnetic storage to store data. Its capacity is usually measured in gigabytes, GB and terabytes, TB. DVD. The full form of the DVD is Digital Versatile Disc. It is a type of optical disc that stores a lot of data. Pen drive. Its another name is USB flash drive. It is a small device and highly portable. The most common use of pen drive is to transfer data from one device to another. Kids IQ. What are the types of screens used in monitors? Let's recall. A computer is a multitasking device. 4 key parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Computer parts are further classified as input, output and storage devices. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick and microphone. Hard disk, pen drive and DVD are storage devices. Monitor, printer and speakers are storage devices. Upskill your intelligence. There are 3 clouds given, namely input, output and storage. Pick the devices given below and write them in the right cloud. Input, joystick, microphone, keyboard. Output, monitor. Storage, hard disk, pen drive, DVD. B. Tick the correct option. 1. Dash is known as the brain of computer. A. DVD. B. CPU. C. Mouse. Answer B. CPU. 2. Device that accepts data from input device and print it on paper is called dash. A. Speaker. B. Monitor. C. Printer. Answer C. Printer. 3. Devices that allow storage of data and applications are dash devices. A. Input. B. Output. C. Storage. Answer C. Storage. 4. Another name for dash is VDU. A. Monitor. B. CPU. C. Pen drive. Answer A. Monitor. 5. Dash controls the functioning of the computer. A. CPU. B. VDU. C. Mouse. Answer A. CPU. Match the following. Joystick. Answer is an input device. Speaker. Answer can play music. Pen drive. Answer can transfer data between devices. Monitor. Answer is an output device. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What are input devices? Write 2 examples. Answer. The devices which are used to enter data into the computer are called input devices. Examples: keyboard, mouse. 2. Write any two differences between storage and output devices. Answer: storage. Storage devices are the hardware device which allows storing data and applications. Output: the devices which are used to display, print and show the results after processing are called output devices. Storage: hard disk, DVD and pen drive are the most important storage devices. Output: monitor, printer and speakers are the most important output devices. 3. Why is the CPU known as the brain of the computer? Answer: because it controls the functioning of all the other parts of the computer. Critical thinking. A. Complete the following words. 1. Joystick. 2. Pen drive. 3. Input device. 4. Speaker. B. Who am I? 1. You can play games with me and I have push buttons. Answer: mouse. 2. You can type with my keys. Answer: keyboard. 3. I will display what you are doing on the computer. Answer: monitor. 4. I can play music for you. Answer: speaker. 5. I am the brain of the computer. Answer: CPU. Teamwork. Ask your teacher why installation of air conditioners in computer lab is important. Note down a few points below.